Final stable syllables appear at the end of words, forming the last syllable pronounced. They follow predictable patterns, aiding in spelling accuracy. Recognizing these patterns enhances spelling skills. The three main types are le, Tion, and Sion, each crucial for understanding word structure. The le syllable always consists of three letters, a consonant followed by le. Examples include trouble, turtle, and candle. Notice how the consonant precedes le, forming words like bubble and marble. Pronounced as ul, this syllable consistently appears at the end of words. Let's clap for each syllable in these examples to reinforce understanding. Let's explore le words. Notice the syllable division. Table is te-bia, apple is appl, and bottle is bot-tl. Sort words by syllables. Table, apple, bottle, little, middle, puzzle have two syllables. Practice identifying the le syllable in words like bottle, little, and middle. How many syllables in puzzle? 2. The Tion syllable is pronounced as shun or sometimes zhun. It typically follows a vowel and appears at the end of words. Common examples include action, creation, and solution. Notice how the shun sound is consistent across these words, highlighting its prevalence in English. Always remember it's spelled Tion. Let's explore Tion words through word building and practice. Transform act to action and create to creation. Practice with words like action, creation, and solution. Challenge yourself by creating sentences and counting syllables in information. For spelling, focus on question, station, and vacation. Discover more. Chin words in your reading. The Sion syllable, pronounced shun or zhun, is crucial in words like decision, vision, and collision. It often follows vowels and sounds similar to Tion. Listen closely to words like extension and invasion to identify the shun sound. This syllable typically appears at the end of words, enhancing comprehension and pronunciation skills. Practice with Sion words enhances understanding. Break down words like decision, vision, and collision into syllables. Engage in word building by adding Sion to base words. Decide becomes decision. Extend becomes extension. Match words to meanings. Decision is a choice, vision is seeing, collision is a crash. Create sentences using these words. Understanding final stable syllables like le, Tion, and Sion is crucial for spelling accuracy. These patterns simplify reading and writing by appearing in everyday words. For instance, table and apple end in li, while action and creation end in Tion.